this kind of feel like this kind of looks like the shark. You know, like it kind of looks like the bottom. Because this is like the head of it.
Oh yeah. Like the Treasure X shark.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's such a pretty bag. It's shiny.
Yeah, I think this is not shiny.
And what does it say? Who's it from?
Sure.
That's who it's for. Who's it from?
Go be an Ant 10. Package, another package. I want to go see the package.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
How do you? Oh.
Wait, did you read the tag?
Yeah, we talked about it.
You probably need to pull one of these. This is cool, right?
Yeah.
Wait, don't pull tight, it might make a knot. There we go. Pull the sash off.
This one. This one.
No.
Don't pull it real hard, just unloosen it. Okay. I think that's good.
What is this?
Look at the front here. It says Battle Blasters. Trampoline battle
Water balls.
What?
Oh my gosh. It's for your pool.
Oh, cool.
It's for your slide, Archer.
You get them wet.
And you can throw them. Remember how we like to play the game where we throw the wet balls at each other?
Oh, really? You might like these. This is cool.
Is there like a net to toss them into?
Yeah, let's see what this says. Okay, this is a net to hold
Oh,
on.
to keep them.
So I think that you just get them wet and you get to play in the pool and throw them at each
How
other. This is
fun.
awesome.
Oh my gosh, that's going to be so fun. We can put them in your pool.
Oh man, summer's coming. Look at all of
Guys,
these.
I know what we could do. Party!
Oh god. Are you gonna clean all these up? Okay. God.
Maybe Emerson wants to play with these.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's,
Are you filming them just now?
Wanna play with that?
hey guys, I know just the thing to do. Let's go. Dad, if you want to see balls back in here, I know just the thing.
I'm not the one who dumped them out. Just the thing. Oh, I really wish I had some bike there.
So Archer, what can we use these for?
Oh.
Battling.
We can throw them at each other like water balloons.
Yeah, what happened
Balloons
to
and
what
all
happened to the red one?
I have it right here. And then what happens like when... Where are you? Where'd you go? What happens when like Cohen comes over? Can y'all have a battle?
Yeah. Guys, I know. No, I know what I want to do.
You want Daddy to dump them on your head?
Dump on your head.
Alright, ready? Oh wait. Okay.
Alright, here we go. Battle balls.
Try to throw them in the box. That's a good game. What do you want to say to Uncle B and Aunt 10?
Thanks 100% Uncle B.
Maybe you could close the.
It's got names.
I have a challenge. This is gonna be my basket, and
You could pick a color. You could be the green ones, and Daddy could be the blue ones.